I hope you all are fine and fit at your home. Our today's subject is maths and we are going to learn subtraction. It's our new topic. I know you are learning this for the first time. Yes. So, first we will learn subtraction with fun kids. Okay. We will do fun game first. See kids, what is subtraction? Do you know? First I will tell you, I give you one chocolate and I will take it away. Then how many left chocolate with you? No? Okay, that is called subtraction. Yes, first I will show you. See kids, I have 4 pop sticks. Okay? How many pop sticks are there? 4. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. One more time we will count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, what we have to do? We are doing subtraction, kids. What we are doing today? Subtraction. तो subtraction में क्या करेंगे हम? अगर मैम ने कहा कि 4 पॉपस्टिक में से how many popsticks are there? 4. I will take away 2 popsticks. I will take away 2 popsticks. यानी remove 2 popsticks. How many popsticks left? Kids, tell me. Count it. 1 and 2. 2 popsticks left. यानी 2 popsticks बाकी रहे. So what will be the answer? 2 popsticks. Okay? Understand everyone? One more example I will show you. See kids, I have some colorful pens. Okay? First we will count that how many pens are there. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 pens are there. How many pens are there? 6 pens. Okay? Now we will do subtraction. If I will take away 3 pens. Okay? I will take 3 pens away. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. I take away 3 pens. So kids, tell me how many pens left? How many pens are left over here? Count it. Yes, very good. I will count. 1, 2 and 3. 3 will be the answer of a subtraction. Okay kids? What is answer? 3. Understand the concept of subtraction? One more example I will show you. Okay. I have taken some watercolor bottles. Okay. So we'll count first that how many bottles are there. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. One more time we will count kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. If I would say I will take away 4 bottles. I will take away 4 bottles. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. I take away 4 bottles. So kids, now we have to count that how many bottles are left over here. Let's count kids. 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many bottles left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is our answer. Okay kids? Kids, now what is the sign of a subtraction? See, a slipping line. It is a subtraction sign. It is a subtraction sign. Okay kids, it is a subtraction sign. We will learn already what is the sign of a addition. It is a sign of a addition, plus sign. It is for addition sign, and subtraction sign is slipping line. Okay. Now kids, you have to take our Graphico book, okay, and you have to open a page number 82. Open the page number 82. Okay. Now we will learn subtraction with different pictures. Okay. See kids, with number as well. We already see the different objects subtraction. है ना बच्चों? चलो, let's start to learning. First, there are some watches are there. We have to count it first. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. How many watches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is already written over here. है ना बच्चों? Subtraction sign means 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. It is a sign of is equal to. Is equal to 5 minus 3. तो 5 watches are there. हमें कितने माइनस करते हैं? कितनी वॉचेस माइनस करनी है बच्चों? 3. तो 3 watches will cut over here. 1, 2 and 3. We cut 3 watches. So how many watches are there? How many watches left? 1 and 2. 2 watches left. So we'll write in this box 2. Okay kids. Now next example. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4. First we will count here that how many lollipops are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 lollipops are there. Minus 4. Minus 4. So how many lollipops I will take from you? 4 lollipops. Okay. So we'll cut here 4 lollipops. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 lollipops I'll take from you. Then count here kids. How many lollipops are there left here? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 lollipops left over here. Now next example. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1. How many flowers are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 is already there. Minus 1 means how many flowers we have to cut over here kids? Tell me now. 1. Now cut the 1 flower. Now we have to count. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many flowers left over here? 6. So we have to write here number 6. Now next example. See kids. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Let's count the pencils. 1 and 2. 2 pencils are there. How many pencils we have to cut from here? Minus 1. Means 1 pencil we have to cut from here. So cut 1 pencil. So how many pencils left over here? Only 1. Only 1 pencil is left. So we have to write here 1. Understand kids the concept of subtraction with pictures? Yes, the rest of the sums that you have to do as a homework. Okay kids? कि और भी एग्जाम्पल मैम आपको समझाए? Okay. Okay kids, I will explain you more examples. One more example, okay? See, there are some logs. 4 minus 2. How many logs? First we will count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 2 means we have to cut 2 logs from here. Yani 1 and 2. So how many logs left over here? 1 and 2. So we have to write here 2. Okay kids? So like this you have to do subtraction in our book. So do practice at your home. Thank you. Bye bye.